Hi students, in this section we are going to see the tension in the rope when a block is submerged. Density. There are three cases. If density of a body is less than density of liquid, floats. And density of body is equal to density of liquid, it just floats. Density of body is greater than density of liquid, it submerges. In this case, density of body I am considering rho b. This is rho b, and the liquid here is liquid rho l. Rho b is greater than rho l. The body tries to sink. To prevent the sink, so to prevent it from sinking, we tied it with rope. So what is the tension in the rope? Let's draw a free body diagram. Tension, downward force mg, rho b into v into g. There is one more force, buoyancy force, rho l into v into g. Total volume is submerged, so this is v. And so T is equal to rho b minus rho l into v into g. This is the tension. And next case, this is the tension when the body in the vessel is acceleration is 0. Let's consider other case. A body is moving upwards with acceleration a. I am erasing everything. Moving upwards with acceleration a. When a body is moving at the acceleration a, see clearly the tension T and downward force is mg and rho b into volume into g, and the buoyancy force which is acting on it. In the previous video we have seen, right, when a body is moving upwards, buoyancy force is rho l into v into a plus g, and it's moving with upward acceleration a. Let's write the equation. T plus rho l into v into a plus g is equal to, minus rho b into v into g is equal to rho b into v into a. If it goes to other side, T is equal to rho b v into a plus g becomes minus rho l into v into a plus g. Tension is equal to rho b minus rho l into v into a plus g when the body is going upwards. Next, if a body is going downward direction, with acceleration a, entire vessel is going downwards. I am changing the situation. If it is going downwards, how to do? Which force is more? Rho b, downward force is more. So buoyancy force will be equal to, in this case, when a body is going downwards, it is equal to buoyancy force is equal to a minus g. So rho b v into g minus T minus rho l into v into a minus g is equal to buoyancy force. How we get the buoyancy force? See the video, previous video, fourth video, to get clarity on buoyancy force is equal to ma, rho b into v into a. And if you just take it to other side, rho b v into g minus rho b v into a, minus of minus plus rho l v into v into a plus, so it's minus, plus rho l v into g is equal to tension. We can take out common factor as v, we can take out as a common factor, and the rho b minus rho l, and we can take out the common factor as g minus c. It will be plus value here. G minus c will be the tension in the second case. If a rope is cut, so this is one case, like when a body rho b is greater than rho l. If rho b is less than rho l, the rope has to say it is like this, and rho b is less than, body tries to go up. Okay, when the body tries to go up, we just tied it from the bottom. If it tries to go up, but we tied from the bottom. Tension T, so T, and let's try it is in the rest position. A is equal to 0. Let's write equation. So downward force is equal to free body diagram, tension in the downward direction, and rho b into v into g. Upward force buoyancy force is equal to rho l into v into g. Tension is equal to rho l minus rho b into v into g, because its acceleration is equal to 0. Now let's consider, I am erasing this. Let's consider it's accelerating in the upward direction. If it is accelerating in the upward direction, the buoyancy force will be buoyancy. Let's draw free body diagram. Tension T in the downward direction, and gravitational force is rho b v into g, and the upward force buoyancy force is equal to rho l into v into, it is going upwards, it is equal to a plus g. Okay, and acceleration in the upward direction. Let's write equation T and rho l into v into a plus g minus rho b into v into g minus T is equal to rho b into v into a. So send it to other side, rho l into v into a plus g minus of rho b into, so rho b into, we can take out the common factor, rho b into v into g, and g plus a, it is equal to tension. Okay, the tension T is equal to rho l minus rho b into v into a plus g. Okay, if it is going downwards instead of upwards, it's going downwards. Let's consider, in this case, just like the previous expressions how we solved, try to solve in the same way. Okay, now if the rope is cut, how much time it takes to go up, this I will discuss in the next video. Thank you.